I'm Miss Amy. I'm a children's librarian at the Guilderland Public Library. Today I'm going to read for you A Mother for Choco. This book was written by Keiko Kasza. She both wrote the book and illustrated the book. That means that she both wrote the words and she drew the pictures. This book is about our little friend Choco. He is a little bird who is looking for a mommy. At the beginning of the story, he doesn't have a mommy, and he's looking and he asks different animals, but not until the end does he find his perfect mommy. I hope you enjoy A Mother for Choco.
This is A Mother for Choco by Keiko Kasza. Choco was a little bird who lived all alone. He wished he had a mother, but who could his mother be? One day he set off to find her. First, Choco met Mrs. Giraffe. "Oh, Mrs. Giraffe," he cried, "you are yellow just like me. Are you my mother?" "I'm sorry," sighed Mrs. Giraffe, "but I don't have wings like you." Next, Choco met Mrs. Penguin. "Oh, Mrs. Penguin," he cried, "you have wings just like me. Are you my mother?" "I'm sorry," sighed Mrs. Penguin, "but I don't have big round cheeks like you." Then Choco met Mrs. Walrus. "Oh, Mrs. Walrus," he cried, "you have big round cheeks just like me. Are you my mother?" "Now look," grumped Mrs. Walrus, "I don't have striped feet like you, so don't bother me." No matter where Choco searched, he couldn't find a mother who looked just like him. When Choco saw Mrs. Bear picking apples, he knew she couldn't be his mother. Mrs. Bear didn't look like him at all. Choco was so sad he started to cry. "Mommy, Mommy, I need a mommy." Mrs. Bear came running to see what was the matter. As she listened to Choco's stories, she sighed. "Oh dear, if you had a mommy, what would she do?" "Oh, I'm sure she would hold me," sobbed Choco. "Like this?" asked Mrs. Bear, and she held Choco very tight. "Yes, and I'm sure she would kiss me too," said Choco. "Like this?" asked Mrs. Bear, and she lifted Choco and gave him a big kiss. "Yes, and I'm sure she would sing and dance with me to cheer me up," said Choco. "Like this?" asked Mrs. Bear, and they sang and danced together. When they stopped to rest, Mrs. Bear turned to Choco and said, "Choco, maybe I could be your mother." "You?" Choco cried. "But you aren't yellow, and you don't have wings, or big round cheeks, or striped feet like me." "My goodness," said Mrs. Bear, "that would make me look very funny." Choco thought it was funny, too. "Well," said Mrs. Bear, "my other children are waiting for me at home. Why don't you join us for apple pie, Choco?" Apple pie sounded wonderful to Choco, so off they went. When they arrived, Mrs. Bear's other children rushed out to greet her. "Choco," said Mrs. Bear, "meet Hippy, Allie, and Piggy. I am their mother, too." The sweet smell of apple pie and the sound of laughter soon filled Mrs. Bear's home. After their delicious treat, Mrs. Bear gave all her children a big, warm bear hug. And Choco was very happy that his new mommy looked just the way she did. The end. That was A Mother for Choco by Keiko Kasza.
I hope you enjoyed A Mother for Choco. Wasn't that a nice story? Oh, Mrs. Bear seems so nice, doesn't she? And his new siblings, oh, he's going to have so much fun with his new siblings. Be sure to stop by the library today, Tuesday, June 1st, starting at 9:30 a.m. for our curbside service where you can pick up a Storytime Kit, our last Storytime Kit until the summer. It's we have new curbside hours starting today. So please check out our website to see our new hours and stop by the library today to pick up your Storytime Kit. Thank you. Bye-bye.